For problem number 2, we are looking at birth weight distribution here of newborn infants in ounces. We have the birth weight here in ounces versus the frequency. So 1 to 64, 65 to 80, 81 to 96, etc. So we are rounding to a whole number of ounces here. Total of 45,220 infants. So we want to know, what is the probability that an infant is between 79 and 112 ounces inclusive. So if we write that in symbols, that's probability P parentheses 97 less than equal to the weight is less than or equal to 112. If you want, you can use X for the weight there. So X would be our random variable, which represents the weight of the infant. So we're going to use desired out of total here because it should be equally likely that if we choose a random infant that they would be in any one of these 45,220. So between 97 and 112 is this one category here. So there are desired outcomes 11,050 out of total outcomes 45,220. And let's compute that on the calculator. So 11050 divided by 45,220, 0.2444 to 4 decimal places. So 24.44%. What's the probability that an infant is at least 113 ounces? So that's greater than or equal 113. So we want probability weight greater than or equal 113. That is these two categories here. So our desired outcomes, there are 8618 in the 113 to 128 category, and another 7507 that are 129 and over. That's our desired outcomes, and we're dividing by total outcome of 45,220. So 8618 plus 7507 is desired outcomes of 16,121 divided by 45,220. So 0.3566. So 35.66%. Using a cutoff of 0.05 as unusual, is it unusual for an infant to weigh less than 65 ounces? So less than 65 is going to be this category here, 1 to 64 ounces. Desired outcomes are 20 to 45. Here's how we would write that in symbols: weight less than 65. Desired outcomes 20 to 45. Total outcomes still 45,220, and we compute that. .0496, and the important thing about that is it is less than 0.05. So yes, this would be unusual. If it was greater than 0.05, it would not be unusual. So again, here, when you got something that's an equally likely sample space, you can use desired outcomes out of total outcomes. So it's what you're interested in divided by the total outcomes.